Welcome to the world of online learning. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial provides its subscribers the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, mathematics and other topics. Today's topic is software requirement engineering. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for continuous support.
Requirements engineering. The term requirements engineering can be defined as the systematic process of developing requirements through an iterative, cooperative process of analyzing the problem, documenting the resulting observation in a variety of representation formats, and checking the accuracy of the understanding gained. It consists of the knowledge elicitation, representation, and validation cycle. The success of the requirement engineering process often depends on the ability to proceed from informal, fuzzy individual statements of requirements to the formal specification that is understood and agreed by all stakeholders. It deals with activities which attempts to understand the exact need of the users of the software system to be developed and to translate such needs into precise and unambiguous statements which will subsequently be used in the development of the system. Or it becomes the key issues for the development of software systems that meets the expectations of their customers and users and delivered on time and developed within budget. It's an activity that transforms the needs and wishes of customers and potential users of computerized systems, usually incomplete and expressed in formal systems or informal terms, into complete, precise and consistent specifications, preferably written in formal notations. Requirement engineering is a process of defining, documenting and maintaining the requirements. It is a process of gathering and defining service provided by the system. Requirement engineering process consisting of the following main activities like requirement elicitation, requirement specification, requirement verification and validation, then finally requirement management. Requirement elicitation. It is related to various ways used to gain knowledge about the project domain and requirement, that is gathering of knowledge. The various sources of domain knowledge includes customers, business manuals, the existing software of same type, standards and other stakeholders of the project. The techniques used for requirement elicitation includes interviews, brainstorming, task analysis, Delphi technique, prototyping, etc. Elicitation does not produce formal models of the requirements understood. Instead, it widens the domain knowledge of the analyst and thus helps in providing inputs to the next stage. Requirement specification, the activity used to produce formal software models. All the requirements include the functional as well as non-functional requirements and the constraints and specified by these models in totality. During specification, more knowledge about the problem may be required, which can again trigger the elicitation process. The model used at this stage uses ER diagram or entity relationship diagram, data flow diagrams, function decomposition diagrams, data dictionaries, etc. Verification and validation. Verification refers to the set of tasks that ensures that the software correctly implements a specific function. Validation. It refers to a different set of tasks that ensures that the software that has been built is traceable to customer requirements. If requirements are not validated, errors in the requirement definitions would propagate to the successive stages, resulting a lot of modification and rework. The main steps for this process includes the requirements should be consistent with all the other requirements. That is, no two requirements should conflict with each other. The requirement should be complete in every sense. The requirement should be practically achievable. Reviews, buddy checks, make test cases, etc. are some of the methods used for it. Requirement management. It's a process of analyzing, documenting, tracking, prioritizing and agreeing on the requirement and controlling the communication to relevant stakeholders. This stage takes care of the changing nature of requirements. It should be ensured that the SRS, that is software requirement statements, is modifiable as possible as to incorporate change in requirements specified by the end user at the later stages also. Being able to modify the software as per requirements in a systematic and controlled manner is an extremely important part of the requirement engineering process. This is the end of this section. If you are having any queries, please write to me to the email ID given in my channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for your continuous support. Thank you.